Hi viewers, welcome back. Textman from Scrappy Cube Band. Currently we are working on our new single titled Island Life. Here is our raw acoustic video version. Hope you like it. Please like and share, and thank you so much.
Hi, yeah, what we did was we just added drum beats and one black keyboard low FL mobile. Chatiman will be on the bass, Texman on the rhythm. The song title Island Life. So this is how it sounds like. One, two, three, this island life, he said. I'm talking about this island life. This island life, he said. We're falling in love with this island life. You built it too much, so what a numbers rounding you. Namis rounding you, yeah. Day and night, you will always be in my heart, my island love, my island love, my island love, my island love, yeah. So that's how it sounds like, yeah. Scrappy Cube and stuff. Yeah.